Willem Gravesande was a Dutch physicist who played a crucial role in transforming physics from philosophical speculation into an experimental science. Born in 1688 in the Netherlands, Gravesande originally studied law. However, his growing fascination with mathematics and natural philosophy soon led him toward physics, at a time when Isaac Newton's revolutionary ideas were still spreading across Europe. During a visit to London, he met leading scientists connected with Newton and became deeply influenced by Newtonian mechanics. After returning to the Netherlands, he became a professor at Leiden University, where he introduced Newton's theories through carefully designed experiments rather than abstract discussion. Gravesande strongly believed that science should be demonstrated visually. He built experimental instruments to show concepts such as motion, forces, collisions, and gravity, helping students directly observe physical laws in action. His teaching methods helped establish experimental physics as a standard approach in scientific education. One of his famous experiments involved dropping brass balls onto soft clay surfaces. He discovered that increasing velocity dramatically increased impact effects, helping clarify the relationship between motion and energy, an important step toward the modern understanding of kinetic energy. Through his writings and demonstrations, Willem Gravesande successfully spread Newtonian physics across continental Europe, shaping scientific education for generations and helping build the experimental foundations of modern physics. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.